guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. For today's video guys, I want to show you how to make the perfect waffles. Check it out! Here are the ingredients of this recipe. First, the margarine, or you can use butter, an egg, a 200-gram rum pancake mix, and of course, the water. First, beat the egg. And then add 2 tablespoons margarine, or you can use butter if you want. And mix it all. Add 3/4 cup of water and the rum, the 200 grams rum hot cake mix. Mix it all together to come up with the batter. And after that one, just add a pinch of the yellow food coloring powder. Okay, and then mix everything. Mix and mix and mix. In this recipe, I add McCormick melon flavor, or you can use a vanilla, which you can buy in the market. And then mix it again. To avoid lumps, make sure to mix it thoroughly. Okay, and here it is. We come up with the batter. Second step, preheat the waffle maker. Gradually pour the pancake batter. Make sure it won't peel the edges. Gradually pour. Okay, like that. Make sure it won't spill the edges. Tips in making pancake: let the pancake mixture bubble first before covering. This way, the mixture won't spill over the edges. And also make sure the other pan is already heated. And then flip it over. In less than 3 minutes, you can have your waffle pancake. Wow! Looks delicious. And then we already poured the second batch. Okay, reminders. Let the pancake mixture bubble first before covering. And don't forget to flip it over. Okay, just like that.
3, 2, 1. Wow!
And then we're working on the third batch. Right, we just gradually pour the batter so it won't spill the edges. pancake mix, I made 6 waffle pancake, fluffy pancakes. And you can add some choco spread like Guya or Nutella, or if you have some like syrup at home, you can add. And then that is the result. It's yummy, fluffy waffle pancake.
Wow!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.